Hey there! Welcome back to Cool Product. If you are looking for the best sticker printer that is fun, portable, and easy to use, you are in the right place. Today, we have a tiny gadget that can turn your ideas into real stickers in seconds. Let's get started. Let's talk about the Anycash S1 sticker printer. This is a compact mini printer designed for people who want quick printing without any hassle. Whether you want to print labels, notes, or creative stickers, this device makes the whole process simple and enjoyable. One of the best things about the Anycash S1 sticker printer is its portable size. It is small and lightweight, so you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag. This means you can print anytime and anywhere, whether you're at home, in school, or on the go. The sticker printing feature is where it really shines. The Anycash S1 sticker printer comes with 3 rolls of sticker paper, so you can start creating right away. You can print photos, labels, or fun designs and turn them into stickers instantly. It is perfect for decorating your items or organizing your space in a creative way. Another great feature is the inkless thermal printing technology. You do not need ink or cartridges, which saves money and makes maintenance very easy. You just load the paper and start printing, which keeps things simple and mess-free. The printer works smoothly with the Luck Jingle app. You can connect your phone and design your stickers directly on the app. This makes it easy to turn your ideas into real prints in just a few taps. It also gives you more control over your designs. The overall design of the Anycash S1 sticker printer is cute and stylish. It has a fun look that makes it enjoyable to use. The build feels solid for everyday use, and the compact shape makes it easy to store or carry around. In real life, this printer is very useful. You can label your notebooks, create custom stickers for gifts, or print quick reminders. It makes everyday tasks more fun and organized at the same time. This product is perfect for students, creative people, and anyone who enjoys making personalized items. It is also great for small tasks at home or work where quick printing is needed. This little printer brings big creativity. Check the price link in the description and see if it is right for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome gadgets. See you in the next video.